everyone. Today we're going to naming the parts and function of the vehicles. First is battery to provide electrical energy to start the engine. Engine to generate power. This is the air cleaner. This is the clutch master and this is the brake master. This is the radiator to cool an internal combustion engine by acting as a heat exchanger. This is the signal light and this is the headlight. This is the hood and this is the door. This is the door handle and this is the steering wheel to control the vehicle direction by turning the front wheel. And this is the change gear. This is the handbrake. This is the seat belt and this is the front seat. This is the clutch, brake, and this is the accelerator to control the vehicle speed by regulating the power output. This is the signal light, high and low. And this is the rear view. This is the license plate and this is the wiper. This is the windshield and this is the wiper. This is the tire and this is the wheel. This is the roof. This is the side mirror for helping the drivers see the areas behind.